For the next exercise, you're going to lie down on the side. We're going to bend the bottom leg and we're going to turn it out. Now we're going to grab a hold. What we want to do here is we want to keep this knee here. We don't want to bring it in. We're going to keep it in this position. And we're going to do two movements. The first action is going to be to bring the hips forward. By bringing the hips forward, we're adducting and bringing the femurs closer to each other. That is one way that we can lengthen the abductors. The second way is to perform the outward rotation, because these muscles perform the inward rotation. So we create the space for the first action, move the hips forward. As soon as the hips are coming forward and coming back, we perform the rotation. Okay? So one more time. The hips go forward. As the hips are coming back, we perform the rotation. Notice the target here, which is where we want to move, is the rotation. The leverage is the hip. The hips are going to go back and forth, creating space. The target is not going to move. The target will only go forward. It will not retreat. In other words, if we rotate it a little bit out, once the hips went forward, the hips come back, we rotate it a little bit out, that's it. We're not going to move the hips forward again. We're not going to move the hips forward again and break this rotation. We're not going to do that. As the hips go forward, we're staying with this rotation. As the hips come back, we rotate out more. In other words, we're not going to have the rotation move back and forth. Only the hips are going to move forward and back. The rotation is going to keep rotating deeper and deeper into lateral position. Good. Flexing the bottom leg, getting a hold over the foot or ankle. And here we're going to be turning and dropping the top hip as a leverage. And as we come back, we're going to be rotating out by pulling the foot forward as the target. Ready? Drop the hips, come up and rotate. Drop the hips, come up and rotate. Drop the hips, come up and rotate. Excellent. Switching sides. Getting the hold of the foot. And drop the hip. Come up, rotate. Drop the hip. Come up, rotate. Drop the hip. Come up, rotate. Excellent. Switching sides. And second round, get a hold of the foot or the ankle, drop the hip, come up, rotate. Drop the hip, come up, rotate. Drop the hip, come up, rotate. Excellent. And switching sides. Getting the hold of the foot or the ankle. Top hip down, top hip up, push the foot forward. Top hip down, top hip up, push the foot forward. Top hip down, up, push the foot forward.